Hello and welcome to the SmartPick Point Cloud Feature Extraction new feature video for TBC version 390. This is TBC's introduction into extracting features from point clouds in a semi-automatic fashion. So let's begin. Here we've got a point cloud dataset from an SX10. This could be any point cloud in TBC. As you can tell, this is not true color. This is classified into regions. There's a house here with some shrubs and tall vegetation, in addition to some ground. In this dataset, I will show you the SmartPick feature, which in TBC version 390 includes the semi-automatic extraction of face of curb data or the gutter data. Here's the driveway to this house, and there is a slight barrier curb running in front of it, in front of the parkway space. So for clarity's sake, I'm going to go over into the View Filter Manager and turn off all of the existing regions except for the ground region. I'll be working here within the 3D view, and I'll leave this plan view open so you can see that as I'm extracting geometry using the SmartPick, it will dynamically update in the plan view as well as the 3D view. Now, a note on the SmartPick tool: it is a command built in within 3 geometry creation commands in TBC, and those commands are the create point, the create line string and edit line string, and then the create polygon command. In this data set, I'm going to create a line string, which is a 3D element along this curve line here. So to do this, in the CAD tab, I'll click line string command. That launches the create line string. I'm going to call this gutter. For this example, I'm going to extract the gutter information. And this is the same exact line string command that has been in TBC for a while now. But you'll notice now in TBC 390 is there's this little cloud icon with a picker tool. And my tooltip, if I hover over it, says point cloud smart picking mode. I'm going to click that, and my point cloud smart picking dialog appears. In the picking type, I'm going to pick gutter, and my crosshairs appears. I will pick my point cloud where I think the gutter is, and where I've picked and where the tool has recognized where I picked is below the gutter. So I'm faced with this 2D cross-section view, and this view is nice because I can verify and validate where I've picked. So this obviously is not where the gutter is. This cross-section view shows me, hey, this is where the gutter is. So I'm going to single click. The red cursor icon here moves over to pick the gutter, and I'll hit validate. This is a curve around here in this gutter, and I can create that curve with the SmartPick tool in the edit line string command, just as I would any other line string. So I can change that from straight to smooth curve, where my next gutter vertex is going to be. Again, I've picked underneath, so I will click on the actual gutter line, hit validate, and continue along the gutter. When I'm finished with my geometry, I'm happy with it, I can hit close, and I've extracted now confidently this gutter in my point cloud data. The same workflow would apply to face of curb. The other options we've included this command in is the creating points. So if I just wanted to spot create points, or the create polygon. A good example is a parking lot island, where there's a polygon outline of a gutter or of a face of curb that I can create. Thank you for watching, and I hope you utilize this tool in the new version of TBC, version 3.90.